Hey everybody, we had a little storm. Well, I shouldn't say little. We had a storm come through yesterday, last night, and you can probably still hear the wind blowing. They're calling it Windmageddon. And I can tell you the winds were gusting yesterday, probably upwards of 60 miles an hour. And last night it sounded like the roof was coming off my house. Still blowing pretty good today. Nowhere like it was yesterday. And what you say, the ground was wet, so there were a bunch of trees down. I've got this one, it was an old dead one that actually came down. Like I say, it was an old dead tree and it snapped off and it fell into my yard, and luckily it did not hit my house. Looks like that's about all besides a bunch of branches in the yard. It's about the only tree that came down. A little tree top that fell out of a tree into the backyard. Got these junipers that actually that's from the ice storm we had about a month ago. So hopefully that'll stand back up. Here's another bush that was affected from the ice storm. I've propped it up. Got to put some more dirt around the base on the back side of that. Hopefully that's repaired. And there's the tree across the front yard. And as you can see, we still got some winds out here. So, lucky here. Thanks for watching. Peace out.